So today I was doing a reaction video for our YouTube channel. I was reacting to the great Nukes top 5s, and his video was so scary that my anxiety levels were actually through the friggin' roof. Like, this man had me on the ropes. And then this happened.
He just captured and actually enters the locker room.
What was that? That was in this house.
He just captured and actually enters the locker room.
Please tell me you heard that as well. That. I'm going to be blissfully ignorant and pretend that never happened, and I'm going to watch someone else's scary stuff. I ain't about that right now, Dave. Would now be the time to mention that Lainey was still out of work and I was actually home alone?